In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and if you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now from here, if you're using Axiom and you want to actually withdraw money, it's quite simple. You want to go to the very top right where you can see this kind of wallet icon over here, and you can see your Solana and USDC balance. You want to click on that and then press withdraw. From here, you can select if you want to withdraw either Solana or USDC, and then after you selected, as you can see, you can then select the withdraw amount. So you can just type in however much you would like to withdraw, and this is the gas fee for Solana transfers over here, or you can just click max over here, and it's going to withdraw the max amount displayed in Solana over here and in dollars over here. Once you have that, make sure you select your network you want to basically use, so network or chain. Usually it's going to just be Solana, and then the address of destination wallet where you would like to withdraw. Now, if you would like to withdraw for money, I recommend, of course, withdrawing to an exchange where you can actually sell Solana for dollars or for euros or whatever currency you are using. But if you just want to withdraw Solana to another wallet, you just have to paste in the address of your wallet. So for my example over here, I'm going to show you how to do it with Phantom. It's quite similar with pretty much any wallet you use. Over here on Phantom, you want to go to receive, and then you want to click on Solana, and it's going to give you this Solana address. You want to copy that and then paste it in here, and after you're done, make sure everything is correct over here, press withdraw all sol, and just like this, your money or your funds will be withdrawn from Axiom Pro to your wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.